Welcome back to Today with Tony. Have you figured out what we're doing yet? We're making entrances. And we're making exits. So, today, third episode of Today with Tony, we're going to try some new things. We're going to have some audio visual trickery, show not tell. Let's get to it. Today with Tony, entrances, exits. This first entrance, this is if you want to enter a room like a horse or a person on a horse, or if you want to give the impression of being powerful enough to have a horse or being as powerful as a horse, all of these are powerful. These are grand entrances. All of these are going to work for you. So up next, we've got something with a little more dignity, a little more class, a little more classic, but not less powerful. I mean, I don't want to undersell the power of the horse entrance, but this is also, there's a lot of power. Now, sometimes you enter a room, and remember, that's the opposite of exiting it. And you don't want to be noticed. You kind of just want, well, let me just show and not tell. That's a classic sneak. That might be a hard one for you to pull off, but it's well worth it. Sometimes you want to enter a room and let everyone know that you are going to be the life of this party. You're going to be the bloody, beating heart inside the animated corpse that is made up of all the party goers. You're going to come in and start pumping blood through the circulatory system, getting oxygen to the brain. You're going to light it up. You've probably already noticed the banana peel, because this is, I mean, you already know where I'm going with this, but show, don't tell. There's so many different ways to make an entrance. Now we've got opposite entrances, exits or goodbyes. These are important. This is what you do on your way out of the room. And I think these are going to be really useful. And we're going to show, we're not going to tell. I think these are going to be really fun ones. This first one, this exit it's as though you're getting pulled away by a windstorm or a tornado or a hurricane or a typhoon, or even if it's just really windy and it's not a specific weather event. If you're going to say goodbye to someone and you know it's the last time, this is a good one. You're going to have this in your breast pocket. I don't have a breast pocket, but if you had one and you kept goodbyes in it and you knew you were seeing someone for the last time, this is the one you'd go with. The executive turn. This final goodbye has proved shockingly relevant in my life. You're going to want someone just coldly standing there. It should probably be raining. Well, show, don't tell. Show, don't tell. Thanks for watching Today with Tony. Like, comment, and subscribe if you feel like it. Next time we're gonna be finding out whether you can really drink someone else's milkshake, so come back tomorrow. Thanks for watching.